Hi, in this video I will talk about a skill that we will build over a period of time. Before I come to the skill, we always have this notion that our mind wanders and we feel there are so many thoughts. So when we say there are so many thoughts that go inside my mind and while meditating I'm not able to concentrate. You know why? Because we have also experienced the state of thoughtlessness. What does it mean? If I say that I have too many thoughts, it also means that at some point of time I had experienced a state when there were no thoughts. That is why I can make this statement, right? That I am getting so many thoughts. So now let's come to the skill. The skill is practicing mindfulness. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is being aware of your action. And one could say, of course I'm aware of my action. I know what I'm doing. So what is this skill about and why it needs to be practiced? Let me give you one example. So when we have food, okay, so typically what happens when I'm eating food, while mechanically the action is happening, I picked food from the plate and eating. But then there is this chatter that's going on inside my mind because my mind is occupied with thoughts, it's wandering here and there. While I'm doing this action, how I'm able to do this action? Because brain is programmed and brain is helping me to do that action. However, mind is wandering. Now when brain and mind, they come together and this is happening in awareness, that is called an action in awareness. So how do I practice mindfulness while having food? The moment you pick a bite or a morsel, saying I am eating food, it's a present continuous statement because it's happening in the moment. The moment you come back to the present saying I am eating food, I'm aware I'm eating food, you will notice your thoughts vanish. So it will vanish because your mind and brain and you yourself, you are centered at this point. At that very moment, you were in the moment. Another example. So when you wash your hands, saying I am washing my hands, I'm aware I'm washing my hands. Now again, you will not notice any chatter of mind because your focus, your attention is in washing your hands. So how do I practice mindfulness? Before I share how you will build that skill, I want to share one point that why should we practice it at the first place. So there is a part of us that is witnessing all the action. Now it sounds like philosophy or some discourse, but it is a fact. The one small example I would like to give. Have you ever wondered, you ask any scientist like, oh, how did you find this? Or how did you discover this? How did you create this? The first response is, I don't know, but it happened in the moment. It just occurred to me. It just happened. So there is a part of us that is little unattached. I would not say little, but that is actually unattached to the action. It is difficult to explain. It can only be experienced. And the day you experience it, and I'm sure we all had experienced it, the only difference is that there is less recognition about it or less realization about it. So this recognition that I am unattached to that action will give you freedom from the consequences of these actions. Okay, now coming back, how I'm going to practice mindfulness. So when you get up in the morning, the first statement that should come, from your mind or brain, that I am awake. I am awake. The moment you start walking, I'm walking. I'm going to the washroom. All these statements in present continuous tense means that you are in the moment. And you do it. Maybe take one day in a week and practice mindfulness. So for me, when I started, I took Saturday as one day as a day of mindfulness. And that time, even if let's say I'm getting angry, so one statement, I'm aware that I'm angry. Or if I'm getting some fears, So fear will have a symptom, right? Something will happen in the body. The heartbeat will accelerate. Some symptom that makes you uncomfortable. Just observing that, hey, I'm having fear, or I'm getting angry. So without judging the action or judging the situation, I am just coming back to the moment, stating that I am aware what is happening inside my body, and then just observe. I'm not saying don't be angry, I'm not saying don't be fearful. All of that will happen because that is a part of being. But awareness is a skill that needs to be practiced, and I hope you practice. It comes with practice. Once you master this, you will feel so much light, so much unattached, and and it is something which I can't say, but you will have to experience it. And I wish you all the very best in practicing awareness. Do share your inputs, how you feel. Even 10 times a day, that's even more than enough. Any day, just pick. So for me, at the time of eating food, I practice awareness while washing hands, while brushing my teeth. All the activities which are not very which are little mindless in nature, I practice awareness. Thank you.